Y'all won't believe this. Shedwars is just kicking off and I'm already getting called out by Angie over at Abundant Acres. She started a junior division and she said because my shoulders are 17 and a half inches wide, that's the division I gotta grow in this year. Can you believe it? I can. I'm hating it. Man, I done gotten my P-Rug and I'm getting out of here. The Cajun's on his way. He said we're gonna hit the batal like that. I'm gonna plant me this plant so I can get me a switch. I don't know what that is. I hate that Cajun. That's dead. I don't know. It's just dead. Will it grow? No, it won't. Paya with the good boy. Yeah. So the gauntlet has been thrown down. Let me tell you, I'm not a happy person right now. You see the space between my beds? I put it at 16 and a half inches so it makes me feel like a real man when I walk through them with my 17 and a half inch shoulders. And I know they're 17 and a half because my wife measured them for me. Can you believe that I have to grow against Angie's granddaughter, Boo? Boo is like a real gardener. She's learning, but she's like a real gardener. That Cajun dude, he put her on one of those funny face videos, and now she's a superstar. Now she's in this video. What are we going to do? You see, all I got right now is snow. What does snow do? Absolutely nothing. Kills grass and makes it muddy. What am I supposed to do? Angie and them's going to be growing months before me. And then they got Maggie from Q Kitchen and Beyond. What the heck? Another kid. They all got bigger shoulders than me, and I'm a grown man. I know they can garden way better than me. I grew like 30 pounds of onions last year on a whole acre of property. There wasn't nothing but grass and onions. You see that right here? That Cajun said he could put me in here because my new nickname is Goat Boy. Goats don't need a lot of space and they eat anything. So that's how I'm going to be in there eating up all that snow, and then when the grass comes up, I'm going to start eating the grass. And then by the time the grass is gone, the snow's going to be back, and maybe I might have some real size shoes. Then Ragnarok has a few of his kids playing too. Tristan, Elwin, Booger, Cordella. I mean, that's like 6 kids I'll be growing against. And if any one of them, if I lose to one of them, it's going to be bad. Boo Salsa, Maggie, all of them. It's horrible. I won't be able to take it. My feelings are gonna be all over my sleeves, and I'm just gonna bury my head in the snow like that. And I got like 9 months of snow, so I'm gonna have plenty of time to cool off. Man, look, I want y'all to see me again. Look me in the eyes. Them kids are not gonna beat me. I don't care if I have to get a tractor and 1,000 acres to make 60 pounds of onions. Them kids are not gonna beat me. Shedwars Junior is an amazing thing for kids to join in. But I know they're going to beat me because they all going to outgrow me. I got a 2-month growing season over here. I'm going to have to come out here and show the kids the Marshall. Show them. Flex my muscles. Show them them 18-inch shoulders. 17 and a half. My wife, she measured them. But show them muscles and show them who's the boss. And say, just because you can outgrow me doesn't mean you're a bigger person than me. My hands are big. I tell everybody that. But the kids can't beat me. I don't know. It's not nice. And I tell you what, I'll never hear the end of it if the kids beat me. That Cajun hydroponics guy, that swamp rat, I'll never hear the end of it. It's going to be on and on and on all the time. Heck, he would have so much stuff to make fun of me for. And it would just like, now, y'all listen up here. I'm not going to take the harassment and the making fun of me again this year. There's no more Mankini, and there's no more John Keeney, and there's no more using any type of Mankinis on me. That's all fun and games, but that was last year. So, we need to figure out some more stuff to make fun of me and my mouth mullet to where we can always have fun. Y'all go check out Abundant Acres and Boo. Y'all also go over to Q Kitchen and Beyond and check out Maggie. Then when you're done with that, you go over to Ragnarok Prepper and check out Tristan, Elwin, Booger, and Cordella. It's all going to be fun, and we're going to have a great year this year growing, and I know that the kids going to outgrow me, but I'm okay with that. After last season, my feelings are gone. I walk in them in my boots so that when I take them out, they don't hurt so bad. So y'all have a good one. Y'all grow that, And y'all tell that Cajun hydroponic to keep making fun of me. I like that. Grow that. Bye.